Ho, ho, ho! The Sprunkies are walking through a winter wonderland. And straight on down to the perfect Christmas cabin. You got the rent! Truly a Christmas miracle. Let's just hope Mr. Black doesn't have something Grinchy up his sleeve. What? You're not gonna carry Pinky inside? Granted, this isn't the classiest of places. At least the potty seems fine. Ugh, I had to jinx it. And something tells me all sales are final around here. Well, look on the bright side. You've got a new pet. Calm down. All we need is a little Christmas crafting. Assuming Santa Claus can't save us. He's busy. So we just need to cut up the end of a straw. Bend the pieces in place and add another straw. Soon you'll always have a helping hand or claw. Okay, spiders, up the water spout you go. And it's an extra hand for cleaning up, too. I'm surprised there's even a dustbin around here. Silly. Plants don't go in the freezer. Looks like Goldilocks left her calling card. Well, the spiders are gone, but they sure left their webs. Easy fix. Just pretend we're making cotton candy. Just remember, this isn't real candy floss. Oh, now what did I just tell you? Uh-oh, the cold's getting in. We need to heat things up. Or move to Australia. It's summer down there. But first, why don't we try our own fireplace? After all, home is where the hearth is. Oh, but it's too plain. Why don't we go for the whole brick oven look? Just keep those blocks going in a pattern. Now we're gonna need some kindling. Sure beats looking in the woods. It's on fire! And that's not hyperbole! Make sure to hang up those stockings with care. After all, Saint Nick will soon be here, as the song goes. Ah, toasty. Anyone got any marshmallows?
Phew.
Hey, there's a giant green plant in the corner. Now what does that make you think of at Christmas time? A couch? Well,
Oops.
yes, we can make you a couch. Look, it's our old pal Pusheen the cat. And it looks like she got my marshmallow memo. Connect them with string and roll them up like a spiral. Don't forget, a couch needs some support. Try it out. Oh, it's like sleeping on a cloud. It's nice to relax, but you'll need something to do. Like watching television. Good whole television. It's almost as fun as watching videos on a computer or phone. Anyway, I wonder if we can get streaming with these rabbit ears. Ooh, buttons! But yeah, I'd still whip up a remote. Oh, I see. You can roll out a new Christmas special. Looks like the Sprunkies are getting a visit from Santa. Of course, there's another important part of the holidays, the food. Popcorn? Well, I was expecting turkey, but all right. Has the milk gone bad? Well, the worms seem to like it. So why don't we let them keep it? Save us, magic trash bin! Hey, you mice aren't supposed to be scurrying now. And when it comes to popcorn, go big or go home. Well, we're already home, so let's make a big box. But this box isn't just gonna hold popcorn. It's gonna help us make some. Grab some kernels. This way, our snacks are gonna be fresh. Of course, popcorn needs a little flavor. I mean, I was thinking butter, but everyone needs some spice in their life. And look, now we're really getting things popping. Just move that flap, and soon we're practically raining in popcorn. But why don't we save some for the sprunkies? Good thing we saved the mini container. It's the perfect size for these two. Well, each. And there's still plenty to go around. Always nice to have something to wash it down. Ooh, Pinky and Oren need something to wet their whistle too. Take this jagged piece of paper and roll it up. Of course, it'll need a top and a bottom. And something that will help make it move. Next, why don't we add some nano tape? It's our very own blender. And it looks like Wenda. Makes sense. She's always the perfect hostess.
Wow!
Of course, we're gonna need something to blend. And what could be better than some fresh fruit? Well, ice cream, but we don't have that. So fruit it is. At least it'll be fresh. Okay, so who wants smoothies? You can already taste the pulp. It's the holidays, so make sure to grab our fanciest chalices. Okay guys, sit down and have a sip. Ooh, did something die in here? No, it's just you guys. Why don't we whip you guys up a washroom? Get the doors ready. There's a reason it's called a privy. Grab soaps, shampoos, and a rubber ducky. Just throw on a spout and hang up a curtain. Come on inside. It's not doing you guys much good out there. Ooh, the water comes in hot and cold. Fancy! Now close your eyes, relax, and don't forget your towel. Okay, Oren, we can smell it's your turn next. I hope you washed behind your headphones. Ah, nice and clean, and just in time. It's Christmas! You know what that means. Haul out the holly. We may be rushing things, but deck the halls again now. What else can we do? What do you have there, Oren? Well, it's green. At least it's the right color. Especially if we supersize it. Now we've got a tree. Told you that magic wand would come in handy. But still, a fir tree needs to be nice and, well, furry. These pipe cleaner leaves will do the trick. And, of course, you're gonna need some decorations. Don't forget a star on top. Either that or an angel. Ooh, did Santa Claus come early this year? Uh-oh, the power's out! What could have happened? Oh, I just know those shelf elves were behind that. Well, something got into the wiring.
Meh.
No problem. Christmas is the time for surprises. Take a paper ribbon and keep on wrapping it around. Shape it up to look like a star. Make a bunch. We'll need enough to cover up a dome.
Wow.
Once it's all in shape, add some lights. Hang these up all over the room and light up your space. Wow, it's really beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Aw, Pink's a Christmas angel, and Oren's a Christmas cookie. Wow, our Christmas costume party's a hit! Especially with all these presents. And hot chocolate! Enjoy the food! Watch a Christmas classic. Just don't stay up too late. Santa only comes when you're sleeping. Besides, that's more of a New Year's thing. We're making a little Christmas magic while in a winter wonderland. Wow, dolls! There's one for each of you. Girls, don't fight. Look, you're home. That means it's playtime. With just a snip, a balloon becomes a ball gown. Add a top, a fur trim, and a belt. And soon, she's Mrs. Claus. Ooh, earrings! What, Mrs. Claus can't accessorize? Don't worry. What you need is some of our leftover fake snow. Next, make some lines of hot glue. And let it cool into a new skirt. You'll be a real Christmas present with a big red bow on top. This snowman's a real sweetie. Give him a spin and he'll give you a treat. You'll have a ball and then some. Maybe we can find our own Christmas treats. Well, that was quick.
Oops.
Now it's a cutie pie.
Cool.
I've got an idea. Add a straw and fill it up with hot glue. Two heads are better than one. And with a few finishing touches, she's our new jelly dispenser. Ooh, someone's got a present. Did you keep the receipt? Maybe it just needs a special touch.
Ew.
Like putting a new face on it. Look, ice makes it change color. And who can say no to glitter? Ice cold. You don't get any cooler than that. Wow, a chicken that lays foil eggs. I don't think that's chocolate.
Ew.
It's modeling clay. Make any shape you like. Now grab some cookie cutters to make some toy gingerbread men. Just don't squeeze them too hard. What the? She's stuck in a snow globe. Wait, it's just an upside-down fishbowl. Well, we can make it our own little Christmas world with the right accessories. Add a few balls on top, and we've made a snowman. Ooh, I think she likes him. As for you, save that plastic bottle. Cover the rim of the bottom with glitter glue. Add a hat, a face, and it's our very own Santa. And Santa's got to carry presents, like all of your favorite candies. And remember, treats always taste better shared, especially on Christmas. Time to set up the Christmas tree. Complete with a star on top. And look, it's got secret treats, just like an advent calendar. What should we do for a tree? Oh, how about toilet paper? I mean, it is made of trees. Don't forget something on top. And there are little gifts inside the rolls. Peppermint. Hey, what's in here? Oh, money! We can use this to buy presents. But I have another idea. Why don't we fold it up and make a tiny gift box? Hope you like it. It's a gift that keeps on giving. As for you two, let's check the old reserves. Slime? Well, this has potential. Wrap it up into a round shape. Now it needs some ears, antlers, and a glowing red nose. Give Rudolph a nice big hug before he has to help Santa. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling. Hold on, you can stop here. It's the perfect place for a candy picnic. Christmas candies always taste best. Hey, don't throw your trash. Besides, it's more fun to recycle. Take this old toy horse, for example. Trim off his mane and tail and give him a new coat of paint. With some new silver hooves. Plus a big pair of antlers. Now add a red nose. You can never have too many Rudolphs.